Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a brand new Baseball 9 mod that's going to get you unlimited coins, gems, and stamina for completely free. And it's super easy, guys. You can see here you need to use your mobile phone. So step one is grab your mobile. And you just have to make sure, guys, that you're not on low power mode. So you can see low power mode is turned off. So once that's done, guys, you have to, of course, make sure you have Baseball 9 installed on your phone. And yeah, I've been searching for hours and I finally managed to find a working method to get free gems, coins, and stamina. And this is using a modded Baseball 9 app that gives you unlimited resources. So you need to open up your internet on your mobile phone and go to www.speedyplugin.com. So you can pause the video if you need to, just copy this web address, guys. Now this website has tons of modded apps on here and they basically specialize in getting you free resources for all of your favorite mobile games. And these work all on iOS and Android, so it doesn't matter if you're an Android user. But basically, guys, you need to look for this Baseball 9 mod. You can scroll down the page, or you can just hit that search bar at the top and type Baseball 9. And you can see here it says click to get Baseball 9 mod with unlimited coins, stamina, gems, and more features. So this is going to basically allow you to unlock everything in the game and dominate it. So this is going to be a modded app that you can open up in the background as you play Baseball 9 on your mobile, and it's going to give you all of those aforementioned features. So click on that, guys, and it says follow the instructions on the next screen. So tap this button here. Now, I've already done this, so I won't do it again. But basically, if this is your first time on Speedy Plugin, you will need to do a verification on your device, which is super easy. It takes about 5 minutes. You need to just complete a couple of these free tasks. It's pretty self-explanatory when you actually run through the steps I've just shown you. But yeah, once you've done that, guys, you will have the Baseball 9 mod app, as you can see there, on your device. And it will allow you to get free gems, coins, and stamina. And yeah, there's tons of different games on here, so have a good look, guys. That is it. Super easy. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Any questions, drop them in the comment section below. Smash the like button